Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Today I'm staying at Garner, an IHG Midscale brand. It's actually my first time at this hotel and it just opened in Tokyo. So if you're curious, come along and check it out with me. The hotel is tucked away on a very small street. Let's head inside. The front desk is quite small, but it feels professional. This area here is for breakfast and relaxing. You also grab your toiletries and other essentials from here. Let's take a look inside this room. It has some snacks, drinks, and even a coffee machine. Now let's check out the room. It's really small. My carry-on suitcase basically blocks the entrance. The bathroom is tiny too, but it has everything you need. And yes, it's a high-tech Japanese toilet. You can take in the whole bedroom with one glance. It's that compact. Here's the air conditioner control, no English though. Same with the humidifier. The desk space is very limited. But in true Japanese fashion, they make great use of space. Look at this little storage cabinet. There's even a mini fridge, and this is the switch to turn it on. There's no space in the room for a large checked suitcase, but you can slide it under the bed. Breakfast is a bento box, which was actually pretty good, plus free coffee. That's all for now. See you next time.